Hey my friends, what's up? Today I'm going to show you the absolutely easiest, and I mean it is stupid easy, a Greek feta and roasted red pepper dip. It's going to take about less than 10 minutes because I'm roasting my own pepper. If you buy the pre-bottled or pre-packaged roasted peppers, it's going to take literally like 3 or 4 minutes, and I promise you, you will look like a star. So in this recipe, there's basically 2 or 3 ingredients. The feta cheese, the roasted red pepper, olive oil. You want some heat, a little sriracha or some chili flakes, a little pepper. I personally don't add any salt. The feta provides the saltiness or the brininess in this recipe. So what I'm going to do is first things first, fire up this to high. Going to use one of these grilling pans. You can use any kind of pan you want. Totally not a problem at all. I am not using any olive oil or anything at all on this. I want to get this really scorching hot. This little gem is my own from last year. It's frozen, thawed out, nothing wrong with that at all. And very simply just throw it on there. It will literally take a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes per side to brown or to char, and then we're ready to go in terms of the mixing stage. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Look at that. That's exactly what we want. Blackness. Don't worry about the look of this now because it doesn't really matter. We're going to scrape that off before we actually use it for our dip. All right, now my pepper's all ready to go. Let's get the show on the road. I've got my pepper here, and all I'm going to do is carefully, first and foremost, just scrape off this charring, and we're pretty much good to go. A little blackness, a little contrast, not a big deal. Perfect. There you go. That's all nice and flavorful too. So for this, just real quick, I'm just going to take this and just put it into pieces and then put it into my little mini-me food processor. So one of my roasted peppers going in, nothing at all. The next part of this is 1 cup of feta. So I'm just going to take my feta and just really quickly just kind of crumble it in. This as well is not going to be a creamed or a pureed kind of recipe. It's going to be pulsed. So you're going to have a little bit of texture and contrast there. Let me just grab a paper towel. Oop. Can't have too many pepper mills. So now I'm going to take maybe couple 3 tablespoons of my Greek extra virgin olive oil and just add it in there. Okay, I added up maybe a couple for now. And a little bit of my sriracha sauce. I like the flavor it gives. I'm using maybe half a teaspoon for this. You can go as little or as much or not at all as you like. A little bit of my fresh cracked black pepper, and we'll be ready to go. And we just pulse it up. That's it. And keep checking on it. This is looking better and better with every pulse. There we go. There. Boom. My dish is ready. And look at the color of this. It is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely gorgeous. So now time to plate it up or bowl it up. So just take any bowl you got. I'm just using this one here. It's what I have. It's what I like. Let me take this out of here. And wow, absolutely gorgeous. And this, my friends, you can serve with crackers. You can serve with veggies, pitas, whatever you like. This will go, in my case, a big ass spoon. And just get it out of here. And you don't want to miss any of this goodness here. Believe me. So that's it. Pretty much done. What did that take? Like less than 10 minutes. Nothing at all. I'm going to take a little spoon here. Holy shit. Two or three ingredients done honestly and simply will give you the most amazing and beautiful flavor. Remarkable. I don't know what's better in this, the feta or the roasted red pepper. Absolutely delicious. Ooh, getting a little bit of that heat there. That sriracha is pretty potent because you're not building a big quantity. But the good thing with this recipe is you can double it. You can triple it. You can do whatever you like with this and make it your own. So that's it for this episode, or this wild and crazy episode on my feta and roasted red pepper dip. Doesn't need any, like not even any baking in this at all. It takes like no time. It takes even less time if you've got, like I said, the red peppers already kind of jarred and ready to go. It takes no time. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I thank you so much for watching. Check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. I thank you so much. Bye for now.